divide x cubed plus x squared plus 14x plus 8 by x plus 1, right? So remember the steps. First you divide, okay, you divide, multiply, and then you subtract, right? So we're going to start x cubed, right? We always divide there, first term, okay? First term, always we'll say x cubed divided by x, we're going to get x squared. Okay? We have x squared. X squared times x, that gives us x cubed. X squared times 1, that gives us x squared. We subtract. X cubed minus x cubed, that they cancel each other out. 7x minus 7x squared minus x squared, we get 6x squared, right? 6x squared. 14x minus 0, we get 14x. 8 minus 0, we get 8. Okay, so we repeat the process again. We divide. So what are we dividing again? The first term. Okay, the first term in the expression. So we say 6x squared divided by x is going to give us 6x. And so we say plus 6x. All right. 6x times x, that gives us 6x squared. 6 times 1, that gives us 6. 6 times that gives us 6x here. All right. And then we subtract. Right, 6x squared minus 6x squared, we get 0. 14 minus 6x, we get 8x. Ooh. 14 minus 6x, we get 8x. All right. Then we're going to subtract 8 minus 0, we're going to get 8. All right. We repeat again, we divide, so we're going to say 8x divided by x, we're going to get 8. All right. So we're going to get plus 8 here. 8 times x, that is 8x. 8 times 1, that is 8. All right. So when we subtract, we get 0. Okay. We get 0. All right. So now what's going to, this is our other factor. So now let's check, can we simplify this factor any further? Okay, can we simplify this factor any further? So we're going to we're going to write x squared plus 6x plus 8. Right, we're going to write there the standard quadratic equation of ax squared plus bx plus 8. All right, so we're going to determine our a, b, and c, or not plus 8, plus c. No, I wrote plus 8 there, plus c. We're going to determine our a, b, and c. All right, a, b, and c. All right, so a is the coefficient of x squared. What's the coefficient here? We have 1. So our a is 1. B is the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is 6. C is the constant, so C equals 8. All right. All right, so let's see. Can we factorize this? Let's use our discriminant here. B squared minus 4AC. Right, so our B is 6, so we say 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 8. All right. 4 times 8, that is 32. 6 times 6, that's 36. So we have 36 minus 32. We get 2. We have real roots, okay? So it's greater than 0. So meaning we can simplify this quadratic expression further, okay? So what we're going to do is
that supposed to be 4?
this 36 minus, oh, yes, it's 4. Think ish. It's supposed to be 4. So 4 is greater than 0, right? It's supposed to be 4. Thanks for that, for noticing. So yes, so since our discriminant is greater than 0, it means we can factorize further. Okay, so C equals 8 here, right? So remember, step 1 in quadratic equations, you're always going to do A times C. A times C, right? What is our A? 1 times 8, right? And we get 8. So we have to look for two numbers that when we multiply them, we'll get 8. When we add them, we're going to get 6, all right? So what are the factors of 8? We've got 1, 2, 4, and 8, right? So here we'll use the factors of 2 and 4, all right? So 2 times 4, right? 2 times 4, that gives us 8. 2 plus 4, that gives us 6, all right? So it satisfies, okay, because when we multiply these two numbers, we'll get 8, all right? And when we add them, we're going to get 6. So we have 2 and 4. So thus, we can simplify this to x plus 2, right? X plus 2, right? X plus 4, and x plus 1, all right? So usually when you're doing long division, you can leave your answer like this, but if we are taught to factorize this expression, all right, they would want your answer to be given like this.